This video intends to be used as a learning tool. We believe this footage can be used as an educational and informational guide for viewers to analyze and evaluate situations, and to prevent any future incidents or mishaps. Also, only a small percentage of people that watch my videos are actually subscribed. So if you end up liking this video, consider subscribing. It's free and you can always change your mind. Enjoy the video.
Fuck, dude! Are you stupid?
So we're gonna go forward with the premise that if people lost money, it was a scam. But if it was truly such a bad promo, we won't blame Aiden Ross. So let's find out. Let's dig into the details of the crypto scam and find out, did Aiden Ross
God, fucking
cause
idiots!
more people to lose money?
Are you okay? Are you okay?
Okay.
Okay. Okay. We're all right. You're okay. Okay. Are you okay? Are you okay?
Okay.
Okay. Okay. We're all right. You're okay. Okay.
Everyone okay?
Yeah, we're okay.
Fucking hell.
She did say sorry. That was close. Holy shit.
Start emergency deal.
That's exactly why I didn't fucking do that. Holy shit.
Hi, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, shoot.
哦，开掉了。
Oh my god, look at hit and run.